Japan is now celebrating the succession to the Imperial Throne and the transition to the new Imperial era. The Imperial House of Japan is claimed to be the oldest continuous monarchy in the world, with an unbroken hereditary line of 125 generations for over 2,600 years. How To Sushi produces this special edition to respectfully celebrate this historical moment. Sekihan is traditional Japanese rice recipe enjoyed during celebrations, which literally means red rice, because the rice is red from cooking with red Azuki beans. Red is believed to be an auspicious color in most Asian cultures. Sekihan is a dish served during New Year's, birth of baby, birthdays, festivals, weddings, or any kinds of celebrations. Usually it is made of sticky glutinous rice, but the regular rice can also be substituted. Choose whichever kinds for your preference. First of all, wash the rice for cooking. How to cook sushi rice is explained in the earlier tutorial, but here demonstrates with some additional tips to cook the tastier rice. Measure the amount of rice precisely using the designated cup. The first water poured into the dry rice is absorbed quickly the most. The smell of rice bran and dirt on the surface of grains is also absorbed at this moment, so rinse it and discard the water quickly. Wash the rice with your fingertips. Rice grains are delicate, so release your palate and circulate to mix them gently. The point is to help the rice grains to scrub each other in the bowl, so you don't want to add any water during washing. Pour some water and rinse them quickly. Repeat this process for a couple of times until the water gets clear. But you don't have to be too nervous to make it crystal clear. The more you wash them, the more flavorful element is also washed away from the rice. Drain out the water to be ready for cooking. Lightly wash the Azuki beans and drain out. Put the Azuki beans and water in a pot, heat to boil. Then turn to low heat for 15 minutes. The Azuki will be cooked again with rice, so here you can remove from heat when about 80% is cooked. Drain out to separate the beans and the soup. Let the soup expose to the air so the color turns brighter. Put a piece of wet towel on the cooked beans to prevent they get dry. Set the 2 cups of washed rice in the rice cooker and pour the boiled soup up to the 2-cup amount. If the soup is not enough, you can just add regular water up to the line. Add salt, Azuki beans, and plum vinegar, and lightly mix them. The plum vinegar is not required here, but it helps the rice to be a shining finish. Leave it for at least 30 minutes for the rice to penetrate the water before you turn it on. When it finished cooking, let it steam well before you open the lid. Dump into a bowl to mix the rice with seasoning.